Welcome to today's super simple 10-minute workout. Just swings and push-ups. Let's get into it. Before we get started in today's workout, let's get our body ready with a little bit of movement. Come to the end of your mat, take a big inhale. Reach up to the ceiling and exhale, roll it down towards the floor. Let's roll up nice and slowly. Inhale and exhale down to the floor. One more time, inhale up. And exhale, coming all the way down to the floor. Bring your hands to the mat, soften your knees if you need to do that. That's absolutely fine. You're gonna come all the way down, knees to the floor, into a tall kneeling position. Right foot goes forwards. Tuck the pelvis under, push forwards. And then we're gonna rock back and forwards and back. We're gonna do this a few times, feeling that stretch in the left hip. So if my right foot is forward, left hip is getting some lovely movement. Nice bit of a stretch. Come forward, take your arm, put it on your thigh, and then reach the left hand up and over. Good, good, hold it there. From here, we're gonna take the left hand down to the mat, right elbow towards the floor. Don't worry if it doesn't touch the floor, and then rotate up, look at your fingers, all the while keeping that hip forward and lengthened out. Elbow down towards the floor and up, down towards the floor and up. Let's do that 2 more times. 1 more. Good, come back up, take the right foot back, left foot forward. So again, tipping the pelvis forward. We're just gonna rock a few times backwards and forwards. Then we're gonna lean on the thigh with our forearm, take the right arm up and over. Good, good. Bringing the right hand to the floor, taking that left elbow towards the floor. Don't worry if it doesn't touch. Up to the ceiling, look at those fingertips. Elbow to the floor, rotate up. Elbow to the floor, rotate up. Let's do 2 more. And up, and up. Good, hand back to the floor, take that left foot back. Hands on the floor underneath your shoulders, tucking the toes under, lift your hips up to the ceiling. Bring the heels down to the mat, walk the hands in towards your feet. Roll up, grab a really nice small bell. I'm gonna use my OG 7.5. Upside down, rotate round your head, back to the center. Round, back to the center. So these are halos, lovely for a bit of upper body mobility. Try and keep the rest of your body still if you can. Okay, good. Let's do 1 more each way. Good, good. And then coming down. So nice wide legs, feet turned out, coming down in between your legs, elbows inside the knees, dropping your backside down in that space, chest up high, shoulders back, push the elbows into the knees, one at a time, prying those hips open. Woo! So lovely. Keep your feet flat on the floor. A few times each side. Nice little bit of movement there. Come up to standing. All right, let's put that bell back and we're gonna grab our main bell and get started with the main workout. Okay, we have 2 sets. First up, we're just gonna do a series of different types of swings just to really get us nice and warm, get our heart rate up. And then second set, we're gonna alternate swings with push-ups. Each interval is 45 seconds and we're gonna mix up what we do in those 45 seconds, all right? So, first up, just a few different types of swings. 2-hand swings, single arm swings on each side, hand-to-hand swings, 30 seconds on each. Ready? Okay, kettlebell down in front of you. Make sure you've got that triangle on the floor. Here we go. 2 hand swings. Got about 15 seconds rest in between each one. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know how you get on. 5 seconds, let's go. Right hand, single arm swings. Ready? Here we go. Fifteen seconds rest. If you want to take a drink, take small sips. We're going straight in with the left hand, single arm swings. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We keep moving quite a lot through this workout. 10 more seconds then hand to hand. We'll have a short break while I explain set number 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, that's set number 1 done. Let's grab ourselves a nice little drink and talk about set number 2. Okay, set number 2. Same again, each interval is 45 seconds, but here's why we're going to break it up. Interval 1 is 30 seconds of swinging, 1 push-up, and then the rest of the time is a rest. Second interval is 20 seconds of swinging, 2 push-ups, and the rest is a rest. The rest is a rest. Interval 3, 10 seconds of swinging, 3 push-ups. We're going to repeat that 3 times. You can do wall push-ups, elevated push-ups, knee push-ups, full push-ups, whatever you can do. Don't get too hung up on the push-ups. Okay, so 30 seconds of push-ups, 1 push-up first. We're gonna do this in 3 cycles. Not a lot of rest in between each cycle. Ready? I haven't put a warm-up bit in, so we're gonna go straight into 30 seconds of swings. Ready? Here we go. Very short rest. Get ready. 20 seconds of swings, here we go. Two push-ups. Seconds of swings, 3 push-ups. Here we go. 5 seconds. Of rest. Grab yourself a sip. Don't have too much. Otherwise you might feel a bit queasy. We're going straight back in. 30 seconds on the swings. If you need more rest, press pause. Not a problem. I'm trying to rush that push-up so I get more rest. 20 seconds of swings coming up. Ready? Here we go. Oh. 15 seconds of rest. Breathe. 5 seconds. 10 seconds of swings. Here we go. Okay, last round. This is full on. Breathe. Okay, push it to the end. Last round, 3 sets to go. Highest swing numbers first. Ready? 30 seconds, here we go. Got to be quick with the push-ups if you want rest. 20 seconds of swings. 2 push-ups. Here we go. Whoops. out. 10 seconds rest now. 10 seconds of swings coming up. 3 push-ups, done. Here we go. Last one. 3 push-ups. Excellent. Stay down. Let's stay here. Take some nice deep breaths. Time is still going. Time for a little bit of a cool down. Grab yourselves a few sips. Don't guzzle because you'll make yourself feel queasy. A few little sips. Once your heart rate's come down and you're back to normal, you can guzzle away, but don't do it while you're this out of breath. If you're this out of breath, are you? I don't know. Woo-wee. Okay. Bottle to one side, kettlebell out the way. Come to the end of your mat, toes together, knees apart. Let's settle right down in this nice relaxing position. Head comes down to the mat if you can do that. If that feels uncomfortable and too tight across your back, pop your hand under your head like this and just gently hold on. But if you're like me, you can take your head to the mat. Let's just hang out here and breathe. Let's bring our whole body forwards, knees together. Bring the hips down, look up, flatten the feet. Oh, just enjoy that lovely feeling. Come back, chest down, arms are stretching out ahead. So from here, if your hands are currently pointed towards 12 on the clock, take them over towards 10. I've got a few kettlebells in the way, but you can see basically what I mean. Getting a lovely little bend in your spine there. Hands back to the center, over to the other side. Lovely. Bring the hands back to the center, come up. Let's take that right foot forward. We'll do the similar stretch to what we did in the beginning, but just straight forward, both arms up, lean into that hip. Beautiful. Come back, and again up. Let's do that one more time. Come back and up. Good, good. Take that knee back, left knee forward, and reach up. Hip comes forwards. Oh, so beautiful. And then back and up. If this feels uncomfortable in your knees, roll your mat up. And last one. Beautiful. That knee comes down, hands down to the floor, tucking the toes under, lift the hips up, walk the hands in towards your feet. I've got chicken legs. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. Pop down in the comments right now. Tell me how you got on. What was it like for you? Like the video, subscribe to my channel please, because this helps me grow my channel and reach more women like you to move through menopause. I'm Mel Anderson. I will see you next week.